What if your food ran out tomorrow? Sounds scary, right? This emergency bucket might just be the smartest thing you can own. With 120 ready-to-eat meals and a 25-year shelf life, it's peace of mind you can actually eat. Let's see why more people are prepping smart, not scared. Tired of flimsy camp chairs that leave you sore after an hour? This Overmont XL chair is built for serious comfort. It's generously padded with over 2.5 pounds of high-density cotton, giving you a cushioned seat that feels more like a recliner than a folding chair. The sturdy steel frame supports up to 450 pounds, so you can relax without worry. The outer fabric is tear-resistant Oxford cloth, built to handle rugged use season after season. A built-in cup holder keeps your drink within reach, and the side pocket is perfect for your phone or book. When it's time to pack up, the chair folds easily and slips into the included carry bag. No tools, no hassle, just unfold, sit back, and enjoy the moment. And thanks to its oversized seat, there's room to stretch out and truly unwind. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or just enjoying a backyard fire, this chair offers the comfort and durability you need. Need space for the whole crew? This 8-person tent offers a roomy interior, weather-resistant design, and a divider for privacy. 5 mesh windows keep it breezy, and it packs down into a carry bag for easy transport. Perfect for weekend trips or backyard campouts with the family. Thirsty on the go? This 40 ounces bottle from mine Flask is made to keep up. Its tough stainless steel body holds temperature like a pro, whether you're sipping hot tea or icy water. It keeps drinks cold for a full day or hot for your entire shift, thanks to the vacuum insulation. You get 3 lid options to match your day, one with a straw, one to flip, and one with a classic twist top. No leaks, no fuss, no plastic aftertaste, no weird smells, just clean flavor every time. The wide mouth means quick refills and easy cleaning. Whether you're hiking, lifting, or just powering through your workday, this bottle is built to follow along without slowing you down. Beach days just got better. This all-in-one chair from Nice Sea combines smart design with total relaxation. The high backrest gives you proper support while you sit, lounge, or watch the waves, and the built-in cooler under the seat keeps your drinks cold and close. An adjustable umbrella locks into place for instant shade, and a cup holder by the armrest keeps your drink upright even on uneven sand. The umbrella adjusts in multiple directions, so you're protected from sun at any angle throughout the day. The steel frame is sturdy but light, and the whole setup folds into a compact size that fits easily in the included carry bag. You won't need a separate cooler or shade tent. This chair keeps you relaxed and prepared in one spot. Whether you're heading to the beach, a festival, or just your backyard, this chair makes sure you're comfortable, shaded, and ready to chill, all without extra gear. No breeze in the tent? No problem. This powerful camping fan from Yogan delivers airflow you can feel, even on muggy nights. Its 20,000 mAh battery keeps it running for hours, and the built-in LED light helps you see clearly after sundown. It runs quietly too, so you can sleep or unwind without any buzzing in the background. You can hang it, stand it, or clip it just where you need it. With adjustable speeds and a USB port for charging your phone or other gear, it's more than just a fan, it's your backup light, charger, and comfort zone in one. Whether you're off-grid or just off the couch, this is one camping essential that earns its spot. Make hot meals wherever you go with this foldable 2-burner camping stove from Ojiri. It features a reversible griddle, smooth on one side, ridged on the other, so you can cook pancakes, bacon, or burgers with ease. The piezo ignition system gets you started fast, no lighter needed. Each burner adjusts separately, giving you full control over the heat. After cooking, fold it up and pack it away in the included carry bag. Perfect for campsites, tailgates, or weekend getaways. Tired of hauling your cooler over sand and rocks? The Cuddy 40 QD amphibious floating cooler is designed to glide effortlessly over any terrain. Its rugged wheels and tow strap make transport a breeze, whether you're heading to the beach, campsite, or boat. The dual wall insulation keeps your drinks cold for hours, and the 40-quart capacity ensures you have plenty of space for all your refreshments. There's even a built-in bottle opener and side storage for snacks or small gear. With 4 cup holders and a dry storage compartment, everything you need is within reach. It floats alongside you while you swim, paddle, or lounge without tipping or drifting away. Its sturdy shell also doubles as a seat, so you've always got a place to rest between adventures. Built for adventure, the Cuddy cooler is your ultimate outdoor companion. Looking for a hammock that combines strength and comfort? The Gorilla Grip Portable Camping Hammock is designed to support up to 500 pounds thanks to its ultra-strong steel carabiners and heavy-duty seams. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry, and the included straps allow for quick setup between trees or posts. The adjustable tree straps are long enough for wide trunks and offer multiple loops for flexible setup. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just relaxing in your backyard, this hammock provides a comfortable and secure place to rest. It's roomy enough for one or cozy enough for two, making it great for solo naps or sunset lounging. The breathable fabric ensures you stay cool, and its compact size means it won't take up much space in your gear. When it's time to go, just roll it into the attached stuff sack, no folding required. Need a cooler that's as tough as your adventures? The Yeti Hopper Flip 12 is built to withstand the wild. Its dry hide shell is waterproof and resistant to mildew, punctures, and abrasions. The outer shell is made from high-density fabric that's UV resistant and won't fade in the sun. The cold cell insulation, a closed cell foam, offers superior cold holding to ordinary soft coolers, keeping your drinks icy cold for hours. With a capacity of up to 12 cans plus ice, it's perfect for day trips. Despite its rugged build, it's compact enough to fit behind a car seat or on a paddleboard. The 100% leak-proof Hydrolock zipper ensures your contents stay secure, and the wide mouth opening allows for easy access. Multiple tie-down points and a detachable shoulder strap provide versatile carrying options. You can carry it cross-body, toss it in the boat, or strap it down without worrying about leaks or mess. Whether you're kayaking, hiking, or camping, the Hopper Flip 12 is your reliable companion. Planning a multi-day camping trip or a weekend tailgate? The Coleman 316 Series 70-quart hard cooler is your reliable companion. With a spacious 70-quart capacity, it holds up to 100 cans, ensuring you have plenty of refreshments on hand. The cooler boasts a 5-day ice retention capability thanks to its insulated lid and extra wall insulation, keeping your drinks cold even in high temperatures. Its UV-resistant exterior resists fading and cracking, even after long days in the sun. Its sturdy have-a-seat lid supports up to 250 pounds, providing an extra seat when needed. The lid stays open at any angle, so loading and unloading is quick and frustration-free. Molded cup holders on the lid keep your drinks within reach and prevent spills. The leak-resistant drain makes cleaning up a breeze, and the swing-up handles offer easy carrying. Grooved feet help keep the cooler from sliding around in truck beds or on boat decks. Whether you're at the campsite, a backyard BBQ, or a sporting event, this cooler delivers performance and convenience. Think sleeping outdoors means sacrificing comfort? Think again. The Naturehike Greenworld camping cot offers a stable, elevated bed that supports up to 330 pounds, keeping you off cold, uneven ground. Its ultralight aluminum frame and foldable design make it perfect for backpacking, camping, or even emergency home use. Setup takes just seconds, no tools required. And when it's time to pack, it folds down into a compact carry bag. Whether you're hiking into the wild or setting up in your backyard, this cot delivers comfort without the bulk. Sleep better wherever your adventure takes you. Need hot meals in the wild without bulky gear? The Fire Maple Fix Star One delivers fast, efficient cooking in a compact, all-in-one system. This portable propane stove includes a 1-liter pot with heat exchanger and lid, plus a powerful jet burner for rapid boiling. The locking handle and sturdy design keep things safe even on uneven ground. Perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency use, it packs down small and fits easily in your backpack. When reliability matters, this stove is your go-to for cooking off the grid, lightweight, dependable, and ready for action. Planning a hike with your little one? The Bubby Premium Baby Backpack Carrier is built for adventure and designed with maximum comfort and safety in mind. Featuring a height-adjustable seat, padded shoulder straps, and stirrups for your child's legs, this carrier ensures both you and your baby stay supported on long treks. A removable sunshade protects from the elements, while multiple compartments including a diaper-changing pad and insulated bottle holder keep essentials within reach. The carrier also includes a detachable storage bag, giving you extra space for snacks, wipes, and more. Its breathable mesh design helps regulate temperature, keeping your child cool and content during long walks. Its aluminum kickstand provides stability when setting it down. Crafted from tough 600D 300D canvas polyester, it's ideal for nature trails or city walks. Stay hands-free and fully equipped wherever your journey leads. Planning a road trip or car camping night. This SUV Air mattress transforms your backseat into a comfortable sleeping space in minutes. With its wireless, removable 3-in-1 built-in pump, inflation is quick and easy, no cords, no hassle. The 7-inch thick support cushions your body from the car floor, while the clever winged side extensions fill in extra space around wheel wells, offering more room to stretch out. Designed for SUVs, minivans, and trucks, it supports up to 660 pounds, perfect for 2 adults. Made from durable, puncture-resistant materials, it holds air overnight and stays firm and comfortable. Its soft touch surface adds an extra layer of comfort, making it feel more like a real bed than a car accessory. It's also ideal for tailgating, music festivals, or rest breaks during long drives. Whether you're exploring the outdoors or just taking a long break on the road, this mattress makes any vehicle feel like home. Folds down into a compact carry bag for easy storage and travel. Hosting an outdoor party, this 80-quart rolling cooler keeps drinks cold for hours and makes entertaining effortless. Its insulated steel body holds plenty of ice and beverages, while built-in bottle opener and cap catcher add convenience. The drain plug makes cleanup quick, and locking wheels let you roll it anywhere with ease. Perfect for patios, BBQs, and backyard events, it combines style, storage, and mobility in one smart cooler. Looking for a sturdy yet portable table for your outdoor setup? The Portal Folding Camping Table offers the perfect balance of strength and convenience. Its adjustable height lets you switch from dining to prep mode in seconds, while the aluminum roll-up tabletop ensures easy setup and compact storage. Underneath, a mesh layer adds bonus storage for snacks, gear, or utensils. The frame is lightweight yet stable, perfect for camping, picnics, or tailgating. Quick to assemble and built to last, it folds into a compact carry bag for hassle-free transport. Whether you're at the campsite or in your backyard, this table delivers function without bulk. Can't live without coffee even in the wild? The Stanley Adventure Boil plus Brew French Press is your rugged, all-in-one solution. Crafted from 18/8 stainless steel, it lets you boil water directly over a campfire or stove and brew up to 32 ounces of fresh coffee in the same pot. The removable BPA-free press makes cleanup easy, and the locking handle offers a secure grip, even with gloves. Its vented lid doubles as a strainer, making it even more versatile for cooking soups, noodles, or heating meals. On the go. Built tough for outdoor use, it's rust-proof, durable, and won't retain odors. Perfect for campers, hikers, and van lifers who crave real coffee with zero fuss. Designed to handle harsh conditions, it's a reliable piece of gear whether you're on a weekend hike or an extended backcountry trip. It nests compactly for easy packing and weighs less than a pound. From alpine mornings to rainy forest campsites, this press delivers rich, hot coffee wherever you roam. What if your sleeping bag didn't trap you in place? The LGA Wearable Sleeping Bag lets you stay warm without giving up mobility. With full-length zippered openings for your legs, a drawstring hood, and built-in sleeves, you can walk, stretch, and even cook by the fire, all while wrapped in comfort. Made from waterproof, tear-resistant polyester, it's perfect for camping, festivals, or just chilly nights outdoors. The synthetic insulation traps heat efficiently, while the bottom unzips for full foot freedom. Whether you're sitting by the tent or heading for a bathroom break, this bag moves with you. Packs down into a compact bag for easy storage and travel. Tired of lighters that fail in the wind? The Supra electric lighter uses plasma arc technology to ignite candles, grills, and campfires. No flame, no fuel. Its slim design reaches into deep candle jars, while the safety lock and auto shut off add peace of mind. USB rechargeable and ECO friendly, it replaces dozens of disposable lighters. Windproof and flameless, it works anywhere from kitchens to windy campsites. Stylish in champagne gold, it's as functional as it is elegant. Charge it anywhere and spark up with confidence. Need a lighter that does more than spark a flame? This all-in-one jet flame butane torch is built for cigar lovers who want it all. A powerful windproof flame, V-cut and punch cutter, a drawer enhancer tool, and even a built-in holder. Its sleek black and grey design feels solid in hand and looks sharp on any table. The flame is fully adjustable and it's refillable for long-term use. Whether you're lighting cigars or fine-tuning the perfect drawer, this lighter handles it all: stylish, practical, and precision-made. Need more space without a bigger bag? This large travel backpack includes built-in vacuum compression bags and a manual pump, letting you pack smarter, not larger. Ideal for carry-ons or business trips, it compresses bulky clothes to save space and avoid extra luggage fees. The sleek black design fits airline size limits, and its durable water-resistant material keeps your gear protected. It even includes a hidden anti-theft pocket for valuables like passports or cards. Multiple compartments keep items organized, while padded straps ensure comfort on the move. Perfect for men, women, students, and digital nomads, this backpack redefines efficient packing. Great for weekend getaways, college, or daily commutes with a tech-savvy twist. Need a sturdy table with real storage for your next outdoor event? The Campland folding table delivers function and flexibility in one compact design. Its lightweight aluminum frame is rust-resistant and easy to carry, while the adjustable legs let you set the perfect height for cooking, dining, or prep work. Its sturdy tabletop holds up to 66 pounds, giving you reliable space for grills, food trays, or prep gear. The star feature: a built-in zippered fabric organizer underneath, with multiple compartments to hold utensils, cookware, snacks, or cleaning supplies. No more digging through bags. Folds down flat for easy transport and fits in your trunk or storage closet. Whether you're camping, hosting a BBQ, or tailgating, this table brings structure and storage to your outdoor setup. Durable, versatile, and quick to assemble, it's a must-have for anyone who needs more than just a surface. Perfect for family trips, outdoor events, or even as a portable kitchen station at home. Need one light to handle every task? The Elita Clip Ultra is a powerful 530 lumen EDC flashlight that clips, sticks, and shines wherever you need it. Designed for daily use, its 3-in-1 lighting system combines a wide-angle floodlight, focus spotlight, and UV light, perfect for inspections, night walks, or detecting surface stains. With a built-in strong magnetic base, it easily attaches to metal surfaces, making hands-free work a breeze. Rechargeable via USB-C, it's fast to charge and ready when you are. Switching between light modes is easy with a single button press, giving you total control even in the dark. The compact, lightweight design fits in your pocket or clips onto your gear, hat, or backpack. Made from durable materials and rated IPX5 water resistant, this flashlight is built for tough conditions. Engineered for everyday carry, it combines compact design with powerful output for maximum convenience. Whether you're working late, camping, or fixing gear, the Eclipse Ultra delivers versatility and brightness in one sleek package. Be ready for anything with the ReadyWise emergency food supply bucket. Inside are 120 servings of freeze-dried meals, packaged for long-term storage with a 25-year shelf life. Just add water, no cooking required. Lightweight and easy to store, it's perfect for disaster prep, hiking, or camping. Each meal is sealed for freshness and portioned for convenience. Whether you're planning for emergencies or stocking up for adventures, this bucket keeps you fed when it matters most. Grilling over an open fire? Amazon Basics Camping Grill Grate offers a heavy-duty steel surface for cooking meals right over the flames. With a sturdy frame and foldable legs, it's easy to set up at the campsite and packs flat when you're done. The steel mesh top supports pans, skillets, or direct grilling with ease. Great for camping, picnics, or backyard fires, it's built to handle the heat and keep your food steady. Durable, portable, and ready for the flame, just add your favorite ingredients.